So in the process of cleaning up that corner, I was able to dig up like long lengths of paper mulberry roots, and you see the bike is here for perspective. But I think some of them are 15 feet long, and while they really were only, I would say, 6 inches under the surface. And think about it, what was happening is they were coming from the mulberry tree that used to be over there, and one literally hugged that fence line. And then there were a few more that were in the center, essentially going to these plots. So any nutrients and water that went in these plots, they certainly were taking some of that and taking it to that mulberry tree, which is not, granted, it's not there, you know, it's a stump now, so it's not sucking what it was sucking, but it would regenerate. So those are out of here, and it was so fun because you just kind of pull them out, really not hard at all. And I took a shitload, I would say at least a fifth of that was mulberry stems that I went down on my hands and knees and went in there and cut out, because you can't dig them out because you can't dig out because they're next to blackberries. But I was thinking the idea of, not that we would change this, but planting an annual thing in a place where there are these invasive root systems that cause a problem over years. This is actually the worst thing to have next to a paper mulberry, because the mulberries come up through the soil. They get very beefy if you don't remove them immediately, and some of these were at least 2 years old, maybe 3 years old, these sprouts. And you can never dig them out because you would then dig up your blackberries. Additionally, the birds eat the seeds. The fruit of the paper mulberry, they go into the blackberry, they eat the blackberry seeds, but then they poop the paper mulberry stuff out, and the regular mulberry seeds out, and then you have more mulberries. But that's the story. And these dahlias are looking great. How beautiful.